Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making buffalo cauliflower wings. We're starting off with clean, fresh cauliflower. Then we're going to cut them up into small bite-sized pieces. They should look something like this. In that same bowl, I'm going to mix up our batter. First by adding in 1 cup of flour. Next you're going to add in 1 cup of unsweetened plant milk. Today I'm using almond milk. Then you're going to add in whatever seasonings you like. Today I'm using some Creole seasoning as well as some onion powder. Then I'm going to give my batter a good mix. My batter was a little thicker than I would like, so I added a little bit of water until I got the consistency of pancake batter. Now that we've got our batter to the consistency that we like, now we're going to add in our cauliflower pieces and make sure each piece is evenly coated with the batter. Now if you wanted to fry your cauliflower wings, after this step, you would place each piece in a dry batter and then proceed to fry them however you desired. But today, we are going to bake them. I'm placing each piece evenly on a parchment-lined baking sheet, making sure they do not touch. They are now oven ready. I have preheated my oven to 450 degrees and I'm going to bake them for 20 minutes. Here is what they look like after 20 minutes. And now we are going to baste them with some buffalo wing sauce. I'm using this Sweet Baby Ray's. This was my first time using it and it was absolutely delicious. And I'm just using a baster and evenly coating each piece. And then I'm going to flip them over and do the other side. This is what they look like and they're going to go back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Now it's time to serve them up. They are ready to go right out of the oven, but I like to add just a little bit more sauce before I plate them up. And on the side, I just have some celery and carrot sticks. For dipping, I made this homemade ranch and I will link that recipe in the description. These are so yummy and so easy to make. They are perfect for your next party. And they're also great for meal prep. They're great in salads, wraps, and even in quesadillas. The homemade ranch was absolutely perfect. Store-bought could never. And to wash it all down, either one of these mocktails would be a perfect pairing. I will link the playlist below. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share my videos and also subscribe for more vegan content like this.